Rolling na rolling.
Oh,
Yeah, curious now.
we made it.
Yung leeg!
Pag hindi sila active sa
Finally.
Ate ko naman vlog.
Amin. Tapos talong.
Yung masarap yung peach? Uy, favorite ko yun eh. Try na lang.
Hindi sa pamis. Kaya pala siya i-char. Ayun lang.
Mas dito na ako, dyan sa salamin.
Ay, ayun lang yung Riyadh Air. Oh. Hello. Okay. Finally, kakatapos ko lang maglinis ng katawan and I'm ready to sleep na. Pero just to introduce kasi wala pa akong nasasabi ng anything at all for this vlog. Not even yung usual packing video ko before the start of my layover. But right now, I'm here in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. As in, days lang yung pagitan from my last Melbourne trip. Tsaka ngayong nandito ako sa Riyadh. But yeah, we have just landed here at Riyadh at around 5:30 a.m. local time here in Riyadh. And they're 5 hours behind Manila. So, if 5, mga 10:30 Manila time kami naka-arrive. The flight was approximately, parang it took us almost 11 hours going here from Manila. So, sobrang haba nung flight. I was able to get to sleep naman in flight. Pero ngayon, I'm just gonna get to sleep. And then, mamaya, paggising ko na lang, tsaka ako aalis, lalabas, pupunta somewhere. I don't know yet kung saan ako pupunta, pero yeah, we'll see. So, I'll try to take you with me later if ever na lumabas ako. But yeah, this is my first time here in Riyadh. So, I'm gonna show you Riyadh. For now, good night. Rise and shine.
Mahal kita. Ako ay nagmahal. Always love.
Bye! I'm going out. I just booked the car. I know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna wait for now. By the way, I'm going to Al Duraiz. I don't know. I think that's one of the most famous tourist destination here in Riyadh. So I'm going alone kasi walang gustong umalis, walang gusto sumama sa akin. Eh, first time ko nga. So, hindi pwedeng di ako pumunta kahit pa mag-isa lang ako. So, good luck to me. Ayan. See you later. Very nice, mainat. So, parang kaya ko naman siyang tiisan. Parang almost same sa Manila. Pero it's currently 43 degrees outside. So, mainit talaga siya. Kasi na yung driver. Ang init sa labas. Kasi ibang entrance pala siya. So, punta daw siya dito. I think ito na. I think it's here. Ayun. Yeah, this one.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm here. Yeah, I'm here already. I'm just using my phone right now to film kasi I think cameras are not allowed. So, naka-phone lang ako. I'm just trying to find a way to go there. I think this is not the right way. I'll just try to check. But I'm here. Mainit, yes. Pero parang kaya ko naman siya tiisin. I mean, kaya naman siya, it's bearable. Para parang nasa Pilipinas na slightly hotter. Pero yeah. Saan ba pupunta doon? Okay, I think I'm on the right path now. Hindi lang pala ako nagbabasa. Meron naman signage how to go to Alter Eve. Hindi lang ako nagbabasa. Pero yeah, I'm already on my way now. Ingat, grabe. Alter Eve, I think this is the entire place. Ayan siya. There. So nice. Ang ganda. So happy. Sorry, may dala akong tripod. May dala akong sariling tripod ko. Since mag-isa lang ako, so magsiset up lang ako ng tripod to take a picture of myself. It's basically my life as a cabin crew. Pero ang ganda dito. It's nice. Yay, okay, I'm here. I made it here alone by myself. I took few pictures already na okay naman. Satisfied naman ako. As of now, I'm just trying to cool down my phone kasi medyo nag-overheat na siya. I mean, hindi man ganun kainit pero I mean, you know, kapag simultaneously ginagamit mo yung phone while medyo mainit, it tends to overheat. So, pa-hold down ko lang a bit. And then, take pa ako ng few more pictures. Sayang kasi nandito naman ako before I go back to the hotel. So this is the inside of Alter Eve. It's cool. It's nice. Sorry, may hawak akong tripod. It's cool. It's nice. Ay, wala pa lang daan dito. Okay, that's it. I'm going somewhere else now. Kasi parang ito lang din naman yung most of it. Wala namang other place na pwedeng puntahan. So, I'll just go. Nag-overheat na talaga yung phone ko. Gusto ko mag-picture sana pero I'll check muna. Well, anyway, whatever. Wow. Welcome to Riyadh. I'm going home. Hindi ko naabutan yung sunset. Ayoko na. Wala na rin man ako ibang gagawin dito. So, uwi na lang din ako. Uwi na ako. Sunset is by around 6:30. As of now, time check, it's I think around 5:53. Pero wala. Baka kasi malobat ako. Kailangan ko pa mag-book ng car. So, I'll just go home. Anyway, I was happy naman. And I was satisfied with everything I saw. I made it back to the hotel. Yay. It was a success. I'm safe. Safe and sound. Yeah. Ordered boga.
Nakakan pa na, kaya parang hindi na-accent. Ay, buksan na. Ay, puta.
Tara! Yung sa Dubai hindi ganito.
Ate, yung stop din yun.
Mas masarap to.
CR pa na.
It's currently 7:28 local time here. So sa Pilipinas, mga 12. And I'm just having my dinner. Wings snap, bulldog. I mean, you're a wrap around.
Sorry na.
Ready to go. Okay, just a quick update before we go. Time check, it's 4:27 in the morning. So, excuse my morning voice. I woke up by around 3:30. And then I prepared. Kagabi, yun, pagkakain lang. Natulog na din ako. Kasi nga, maaga yung departure namin today. We'll be flying back to Manila na. And ang departure namin will be around 7 ba? I think 7 yung departure. Yeah, 7:30 something. So, ngayon bababa lang kami to have a quick breakfast before getting picked up to go to the airport. Airport is like 5 minutes away lang. Kahapon, hindi ko nasabi kahapon, pero yung hotel namin, first, it's close to the airport. Second, it's literally in the middle of a desert. Like, everything you see is just plain sand. Wala halos. Wala talaga ang mga establishment at all. Kaya kahapon nagpa-deliver kami ng food. And then, nung pumunta nga ako sa Alto Raif, it took me 30 minutes, like 25 to 30 minutes going there. Kasi malayo yung parang city proper. But anyway, it was a very quick Riyadh layover. Pero yeah, I'm okay naman na, and I'm happy na I was able to go to Alto Raif kahit na ako lang mag-isa. And take a picture. So yeah, it was nice, happy. Yun, nafe-feel ko. I'm grateful kasi may na-add sa list ko of the countries na I went to. Kasi nga, this is the first time na I get to be here in Riyadh. I'm grateful and I'm happy na I'm here in Riyadh. See you in my next vlog. Game.
Hindi ko man na picture wag lang. Ano for beef to? Ano to? Go.